Hello, this is Travis from Steel Magnolia. I'm in my 2006 Trailmanor 2720 and having a problem with the thermostat. I read about people saying that they turn the thermostat on and nothing happens. There's no click, there's no sound, there's no nothing, and they start doing all sorts of crazy troubleshooting and all this sort of stuff. Well, these are a common fail item, and if it does not engage, and it's got two wires here and here, and this is a 12-volt system, so you can touch both wires. It's not going to shock you or anything. But let me show you what fails. This is a contact point. Okay? When you turn this on, can you see the little arrow right there, that little pointy thing? You heard the thing turn on. When that little arrow is underneath here, it raises this point up right here and takes it off of this contact. So there's a contact underneath there. If that fails to make contact or it gets corroded, it will not work. So whenever you do this and that little pointy thing releases, these two don't make contact. So come in and just press on that and wiggle it a little bit and see what that does. If it turns on, then here's your problem. Okay. The other thing that you can do is take a piece of wire or even a paper clip and jump from here to here. And you can do a bare paper clip. You can hold it in your hand. It's not going to shock you because I'm touching both terminals. And if you touch those two together and your heater turns on and starts running, your thermostat is your problem. I'm getting ready to update the thermostat here shortly. I have removed the old Suburban analog thermostat. This was a heat-only thermostat, just standard stuff. This had stopped working and I had repaired it, and so basically it sort of just worked intermittently. And this is what I have replaced it with, and this is made by ICM Controls. It's an SC1600 non-programmable electronic thermostat, and this is heat only, but it's very simple. You've got temperature up and down. Whenever you press a button, it's going to change the temperature. This is the set temperature, and then it's going to go back and show the room temperature after a few seconds. There we go, 63 degrees. I am currently in the off position. We'll turn it on in a moment just to keep the noise down. Let me pop this open. This is what the insides looks like. Takes two AA batteries. Probably want to change those batteries out yearly. As a matter of fact, if it's, you know, once you get past cool weather, just take the batteries out of it. That's the safest thing to do. On these simple systems, there's only two wires. And yours may be different color, and it doesn't make any difference which one attaches to which. It could go either way, but that's the terminals that you connect to. And again, this is for heat only, and that's looking at the heater there. So to give you an idea. Now, because behind this cabinet is my water tank storage and plumbing, this cabinet could actually hold a little cool on the inside. And so what I did, I took a piece of packaging material, and this was an Amazon Prime bag, and you see it's the bubble wrap. Okay, I took and cut out a piece and installed it behind this, and that was just to insulate it from this cold wood panel. Okay, the other thing I did, I took some felt and stuffed it down around the wires to prevent an air leak where the wires come through. But I'll tell you what, so far it has worked extremely well. Let me put the cover back on, doing this one-handed. There we go. We're going to switch to on. and I'm sure you heard the heater engage, and it'll be up to temperature in a little bit. That's another thermostat, not a thermostat, but a thermometer that I'm using to monitor inside and outside temps. So we're pretty close on the temps. Anyway, I hope this helps. It's a very simple video, but anyway, I hope you find benefit from it. And I hope you're having an amazing day. This is Travis. 63 degrees at the Steel Magnolia.